being good, I'm a bad. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. You better hope I never run across your man.
Hey y'all, it's me, Mika, aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video was inspired by the queen herself. And when I say queen, I don't mean Beyonce this time, okay? I'm talking about Miss Stallion. She did this look a little while ago on her Instagram, and I thought it was so cute with the little bows and all of that. So if you want to see how I got it, just keep watching. Go ahead and also hit that subscribe button because we almost to 20K, okay, baby? Hit that subscribe button below. Thumbs this video up if you like it. Let's get into it. Oh, before we get started, also, I just want to let you know Duvolle gave me a discount code for using their flat iron. It'll be here and also in the description box. And also the link to this hair will be in the description box as well. I got you. I got you. Okay, so here I am. I have already laid my wig from Unice hair. I'm gonna go ahead and like get my part settled, you know, and straighten my hair out, get it ready for flat ironing. So I just want to come on here and talk to you about the flat iron. It is the Desires Series styling iron. It is ceramic, which is good for your hair, and it has a really high temperature. It goes up to 450, which is needed to, you know, get that silky smooth shine. Okay, baby? Duvolle has been so kind to give me a 70% off discount code, so you can get this for $28.50. I'm going to go ahead and link it on the screen and also below in the description box. Use my code. As always, save you some coin, girl. Okay? Okay. Next, I went ahead and cut some baby hairs on this unit as it didn't have any. And I went ahead and swooshed my little bang. And then I also set it with a little bit of Gots to Be. And went ahead and laid it so I could do my makeup. Okay, so the lighting has just changed because it was too bright outside and it was too hot. So I had to close the blinds. So we have a bit of unnatural lighting and we're just gonna work with that. So, yeah, I've done my makeup and all that good stuff. And let's see how the lace is laying. Okay. I mean, it's a bit helmety, but that's besides the fact. Okay. I might hit that side with the flat iron because I did get a little bit of my setting spray on it. So let's turn the flat iron back on. So I'm looking at the picture of Meg, and she definitely has the bang. So we are going to section off this front piece, I think. Am I covering my eyebrow? Well, my eyebrows ain't done, so let's just go ahead and cover it. I really like this flat iron. The one thing I like about it is you can actually touch it while it's hot, and you ain't gotta worry about like burning your fingers off. Because the other flat iron I used to have, oh my God. You could not hold it like this. But this one is good. Okay. So it looks like Meg has two little ponytails. So the way I'm gonna do this is just comb that out. And I got my little rubber bands ready. I think 3 is enough. Yeah, it's 3 enough. See, that's the thing. You gotta make sure you pull it all the way through, boo. There we go. This is really reminding me of like an Aaliyah hairstyle. Out. And I like what we got going on. I'm hoping that they're like kind of even-ish. Even-ish. I still need to lay my lace back down over here. I'm so mad that that didn't stay. Oh, it's dripping in my eye. Girl, don't mess up my makeup now. Don't mess up my makeup. Okay, and then to finish the look, Meg had some little butterfly clips. So that's next. I mean, she got a blue one in there, a pink one. Should I just do blue and pink all over? That one got a green one in it. What's funny is I feel like I haven't worn these since, I don't know. See, my thing is, I don't know if I'm putting them in right. But I gotta be, I think. Blue. Pink. Should I do another pink one? And yeah, that is it. I'm going to go put on some, actually no, that's not it. And then I don't have a wax stick anymore. So what I'm gonna do is use this 24-hour touchdown edge tamer. It's so good. And only take a little bit of that and just hit the edges that need to be laid down, not the edges, the flyaways that need to be laid down. And there we go. This reminds me of being a little girl. Yeah, let's go ahead and get dressed and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me and showing you the flat iron that I got from Duvolle. It is actually really good. It did good on this little thing right here. I may try it on my natural hair in the next video. If you guys want to see that, let me know below. If you guys want to see more wig videos, also let me know. And if you want me to get detailed on this makeup look, let your girl know. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.